Chemistry A-Level. This A-Level is taught jointly between Pontypridd High School and Hawthorne High School. Both teachers have a close working relationship with plenty of communication, and the course is split evenly between the two schools, with assessment procedures being shared equally. If you would like to study chemistry at Pontypridd High School or Hawthorne High School, this is a brief outline of what the course would entail. At AS, you would study 2 units. Unit 1 is called The Language of Chemistry, Structure of Matter and Simple Reactions. Unit 2 is Energy, Rate and Structure of Carbon Compounds. At A2, we study 3 units. Unit 3 is Physical and Inorganic Chemistry. Unit 4, Organic Chemistry and Analysis. And Unit 5 is a practical unit. Chemistry is a really exciting and interesting A-level to study. It's vitally important in society and is considered an essential A-level if you're going on to look at medicine and lots of the medical professions. It's the study of atoms, the periodic table, and the interactions of the different atoms and the chemistry that results as a part of these interactions. The WJEC A-level gives a broad, coherent and satisfying course of study, encouraging the learners to develop confidence and a positive attitude towards chemistry and the importance of chemistry in society and our everyday lives. In chemistry, we aim to develop essential knowledge and understanding of the different areas of the subject and how those different areas actually relate to each other. It also hopes to develop and demonstrate an appreciation of the skills, the knowledge and the understanding of differing scientific methods. It allows the learners to become competent and confident in a variety of practical skills which are essential to university studies, and also mathematical and problem-solving skills essential to society and decisions that are made about scientific issues and how those sciences contribute to success of the economy and society. It also hopes to develop interest and enthusiasm for this subject and an interest in studying further in university and the careers associated with chemistry. If you were to study this A-level, you would sit a written exam of 1 hour and 30 minutes, which makes up 20% of the qualification on Unit 1, and you would sit a similar exam on Unit 2. These both exams would be sat during your AS year. Unit 1, which was the Language of Chemistry, Structure of Matter and Simple Reactions, covers formulae and equations, basic ideas about atoms, chemical calculations, bonding, solid structures, the periodic table and simple equilibria and acid-base reactions. This is the basis of the rest of the AS and the A2 study. It covers all of the foundations of chemistry and is mainly an inorganic unit. Unit 2 is an organic unit. This also covers thermochemistry and energetics, and therefore we have thermochemistry, rates of reactions, the wider impact of chemistry, which is looking at the green side, and environmental chemistry, organic compounds, hydrocarbons, halogenoalkanes, alcohols and carboxylic acids, and then instrumental analysis, which is methods to analyse chemical reactions. At A2, we have a written examination of 1 hour and 45 minutes, and this is worth 25% of the qualification. You would sit this written examination in Unit 3 and in Unit 4. Unit 3 is an inorganic and physical chemistry unit, and it covers redox, redox reactions, chemistry of P block, chemistry of D block, chemical kinetics, enthalpy changes, entropy and feasibility of reactions, equilibrium and acid-base equilibria. Unit 4, which is the organic chemistry and analysis, will focus on the organic side of chemistry and therefore will look at stereoisomerism, aromaticity, alcohols and phenols, aldehydes and ketones, carboxylic acids and their derivatives, amines, amino acids, peptides and proteins, and organic synthesis and analysis. On top of those units, you would also sit a practical unit, Unit 5, and this gives you 10% of your qualification. Obviously, practical work is extremely important and is an intrinsic part of the chemistry A-level and prepares you for university courses where a huge amount of laboratory work would be carried out. It gives you the opportunity to use equipment and to develop your skills and understanding in relation to the practical side of the course linked with the theoretical side of the course. And for this, you would have an experimental task and a paper to write, a written paper, practical methods and analysis. Studying A-level chemistry will give you the opportunity to apply for many different courses in university and consequently open the door for several of the different professions that require this A-level. These are listed on this slide for you to take a look at, but there are many more careers that you could take which involve the use of A-level chemistry. Thank you for listening, and hopefully we'll see you in September.